Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Fusion bonnet. First, ensure your vehicle is parked securely on a level surface with the engine off. Next, locate the bonnet release lever, typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell or lower dashboard. It often has a small icon resembling a car with its bonnet open. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a distinct click, indicating the primary latch has disengaged. This initial step is crucial for accessing the engine bay safely and efficiently. After pulling the interior release lever, walk to the front of your Ford Fusion. The bonnet will be slightly ajar but not fully open. Carefully reach your hand into the gap, feeling along the underside of the bonnet, usually near the center. You're looking for a small, secondary safety latch. This latch prevents the bonnet from flying open unexpectedly while driving. Once you locate it, you'll either push it to the side or lift it up to fully disengage the bonnet. With the secondary latch released, you can now gently lift the bonnet upwards. It might feel a little heavy, so use both hands if needed. Once it's open, look for the bonnet support rod. This is usually a thin metal rod attached to the underside of the bonnet or near the engine bay. Carefully remove the rod from its clip and insert its end into the designated slot on the underside of the bonnet or the engine compartment. This secures the bonnet in the open position, allowing you to safely work under it. To close the bonnet, first remove the support rod from its slot and secure it back in its original clip. Then, gently lower the bonnet until it's about 10 inches from the closed position. Do not force it down. From this height, let the bonnet drop, allowing its weight to engage both latches. You should hear 2 distinct clicks. Give the bonnet a gentle push to ensure it's fully closed and secure before driving. Also, check the description for links to great car accessories and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.